Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. I'm back with my new vlog. My name is Areesz Gandhi, and if you don't know me, well, I'm a photographer, videographer. I make videos, I click pictures, I edit my own stuff, and I give little tips and tricks on my vlogs regarding photography, videography, and things around it. Now, this particular vlog is about this latest gadget which I purchased, which is called the Rode Wireless Go, and it's a brilliant piece of gadget. And well, what does it do? I'll tell you. Okay, so I just realized in the previous shot I was really zoomed in, so now this is a little distant. I think we'll be a little more comfortable this way. So right now the voice that you're hearing is through this mic on my camera, which is the Rode Video Micro. And it is a small mic which has a little dead cat. Dead cat is a small little soft thing, this thing. Which is basically used to shield the sound so that there's no wind sound, wind noise when you're... Basically, if you're outdoors somewhere and there's a lot of winds, that doesn't affect the sound. So yeah, that's this mic. And now I will switch the audio to the Rode Wireless Go. Let's see if there is a difference. Okay, and now the sound that you're hearing is through the Rode Wireless Go. So you can see the mic lapel attached right here on my chest. And I think this is such a portable, such a convenient piece of gadget. I mean, all you need to do is wear this piece of the mic over here in your shirt or your collar, in your coat or somewhere. And the other part is attached right on top of the camera. And well, it's wireless. That's why the name Rode Wireless Go. Wireless and go wherever. Let's do some more comparisons in a different environment maybe. Okay, so I'm at Starbucks right now and it's a pretty noisy place out here. I don't know if you can hear me through this mic. This is the on-camera mic, which is the Rode Video Mic Pro, like I told you. And yeah, in a place like this where there are a lot of people, there's a lot of ambient sound, the sound may not be very clear, right? So let's switch to the Rode Wireless Go and see how does that help. Alright, so now I'm wearing the Rode Wireless Go with me right here on my collar, and I'm speaking at the same volume, exactly the same way and the same environment, and I'm sure you can hear me more clearly now than the people around me. I'm not sure, when I'm recording this audio, I'm not listening to what exactly is being recorded, but I'm hoping this is better. So this will be excellent in places like this where the camera is a little far away from you and there is noise around you, but you can hear me absolutely clearly. Just for a comparison, this is with no mic, just the internal mic of the camera, and the audio is like this. So I'm sure there's an obvious difference, right? Okay, so right now I'm on the Dji Osmo Pocket, and right now what you can hear is from the internal mic of the Dji Osmo Pocket. And now is the sound from the Rode Wireless Go, which is attached over here to my collar, and I'm speaking at the same volume as I was speaking earlier. So as you can see, there is a vast difference in the quality and the sound volume, basically everything regarding the sound. Now switching back to the Osmo Pocket. That is the Osmo Pocket. No mic attached, no nothing. And now back to the sound from the Rode Wireless Go. So I can walk around in noisy places and not worry about the sound quality. You want to know how it's done? I'll show you. Okay, so right now the sound that you're listening to is from the Rode Wireless Go, which is attached, the microphone of which is attached to my collar, and here's the receiver, which is attached to the Zoom H1N, and that is recording my voice. So this little equipment over here can be in your pocket while you shoot your videos with your Dji Osmo Pocket. Isn't that a great contraption? Okay, so this is going to be really convenient now, just to hold on the camera and just talk in front of the camera, and people will be walking around me and I'll be smiling because I don't have to feel conscious about a big microphone on top of the camera and attracting even more attention. Rode Wireless Go. Good job.